Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TBS FATBOY Fire Steel. So this comes in around £9 on the Bushscraftstore site. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the video to it. So yeah, TBS FATBOY. It claims to be one of the best fire steels on the market. Let's put it to the test and find out, eh? So let's have a look. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll keep posting on a Sunday and see how we get on. So let's check out the FATBOY. So a little bit about the TBS FATBOY Fire Steel first. It's 12.5mm in diameter, so ½ inch. It's 85mm length of the ferro rod, with only 70mm of it exposed. The rest is in the handle. So it's got a 50mm length handle on it too. Its total length is 120mm, with a choice of strikers. They give you the shitty generic one, which I can't stand, to start off with it, but I'm sure some of you might like these, but I don't. So we'll get on with this and have a look. As you can see, I've not used it, so we're going to take a look at it and see how good it is, and see if it is, as they claim it to be, quite simply one of the best on the market. $8.95, 5-star. Let's check it out. Quite simply one of the best. Well, let's see if it lives up to its reputation. For the purpose of this, we'll use the poopy scraper that comes with it. So let's get it undone. I like to see a good length lanyard on it, actually. I really like that. It means you're able to scrape it at a good distance without getting tied up. Oh, I hate these things. Anyways, let's get some of this coating off. And let's get a selection of fire tinder. What have we got? So let's try a few different things here. We'll try some fire plugs. We'll try some cap-off with fire plugs, actually. We'll try some waxwood. We'll try some fire stick. We'll try a slow match as well. So I'm going to use the scraper it comes with. So let's get cracking. First of all, we'll try the wax jute on the slow match. So let's get that roughed up a bit. Generic poopy scraper. So with a generic poopy scraper, it lit it well. Nice little burn on that. Let's try the fire plug. If you like the fire plugs, one of my favourite tinders going. Let's get it broken up. I think we'll just use half of one, save us a little bit. So let's try it. We'll see if that's enough on that to light it. Poopy scraper. Poopy scraper lit it. Capock. Should have liked the capock in this second. Not bad, not bad. Let's try some fast fire stick. Nice light. And let's try some waxwood. PP generic. PP generic and Fatboy even lit the waxwood. Not bad. Anything harder to light, do we think? Maybe baby. A bit of super cedar. Let's have a look at the super cedar. Fail on the super cedar. Well, we got it. Let's try one more. Let's try some fire strip roll. Let's use the poopy generic, fluff it up a bit. poopy generic seemed to have got the job done. We got everything lit that we thought we'd like. So we'll see if the sparks are any different of, say, the Condor Pterosaur. Get a good blast of sparks off that. Overall, it's actually not too bad. Whether it's the best or not out there, I don't know, but pretty good, and it worked with the generic poopy scraper. So that was a quick look at the TBS Fatboy. Actually quite like the fire steel. I like the size. Size I like. It's got a good handle, a good size. You know my thoughts on these, but proof's in the pudding. It worked with it, but I just don't like them. Please just put something else on for the sake of what they are. So they're now £9. They used to be a wee bit cheaper, but with everything, prices just seem to have gone mental. So yeah, any good? Yeah, I like it. Good length, really good length on the lanyard. I like that. Just, you saw there, you can get a good purchase on it to strike it. So yeah, overall I'm pretty pleased. Lit all the fire tinder that we needed to light, which was good, even with the poopy generic. So yeah, not bad at all. I'll put the link onto the Bushscraftstore underneath if you're interested. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Please hit the subscribe, please hit the like, and I'll see you on the next one. Del out.